Welcome back to Southpaw Garage. Welcome to the channel if you're new. It's a cold one today, but today we're going to be installing an accessory that will help prepare me for some off-road type accessories that I'm looking to put on this truck in the near future. Alright, so what we have here are the components for one of Boost Auto's newest products, the retractable rear bumper step. So we have the main functioning part of the step here. This is the part that will extend and retract. We have the main support bracket right here. We have the secondary support bracket right here. And then we have the step. And I went ahead and got it with the black and gray Boost Auto foam step pad as well. You can choose to get it without the step pad and you would just have the metal step, but I went with the step pad for this. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is assemble the step itself. We're going to start with the primary support bracket. There are 3 threaded holes right here and 3 holes in this bracket right here. So we're going to line that up. Alright, so we're going to start this off with 2 of these combo bolts that they have, where they already have these lock washers and washers installed. And then we're going to use a standard bolt with a lock washer and a washer down here. Right. Now we'll just get these snug down. They're 13 millimeter. You may be wondering what this has to do with off-road accessories. Well, don't worry, we're going to talk about that later in this video. Right, now we need to add the secondary support bracket. We've got 2 more of these combo bolts, so we'll just thread them in. We're not going to snug these all the way down just yet, because we do want some adjustability in the bracket. Alright, last assembly step for putting these pieces together is the step itself. So we're just going to slide some of these T-nuts in, and they're going to be staggered and alternating. Just need to put it in here. Like so. And we'll put some locking nuts on here. Whoops, sorry. Washers first, then locking nuts, and I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of tightening down on these, but again, I don't want to tighten it down all the way because you want to be able to adjust the step.
Dream big, boy, gonna make it. Step tall is higher road to take it. Let go.
Now, let's get under the truck and get this mounted up. Alright, so now that we're under the truck, we're going to have to remove 2 19 millimeter nuts and this 22 millimeter nut. And with me being under here, I'm wondering if this cross member is going to be in the way of this step install. But only one way to find out.
Searching for holy flames, a sign to light up the way. So can you help me out? Can you help me out?
Alright, so we want to get the front of the brackets onto the bolts in the bumper bracket, and then the hook is going to hook on that bolt up there. Take the brace out. So yeah, this will not work with the cross member at all. There's just no way the cross members stay under the bumper. So hopefully it's not super necessary. They didn't have one of them in the Boost Auto install video on their bumper, so hopefully it's okay. There's absolutely no way to make this work with that cross member. Well, you may have noticed I put gloves on too in between this video. And that's because my hands got really cold holding this metal in the cold weather. Now ratcheting these nuts is going to be pain because there's not going to be much room with the brackets on here. So this would be a good time for me to have my battery ratchet, but it's currently at my parents' house. So I'll just have to make do with what we got.
Can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? Or are you speaking now? Are you speaking now? Oh, I think I can.
Now that we have the bracket mounted, we can get the step in the position that we want. I'm going to push it in. Ooh. Okay. So, this might be a problem. My exhaust hits it. I'm going to have to scoot this out. Don't know why it's not letting me slide it. There we go. Okay, that's better. We're just gotta make sure we clear the exhaust. And just kind of get the step turned the way we want it. I think angled on the corner, because of this not being able to be in towards the middle. So originally I was thinking it would be in more this way and I'd kind of flush it with the back of the bumper. But since the exhaust is there, I'm thinking I'm going to go all the way to the left and angle it so that it kind of sits right in there on that angle of the bumper right there. I think that looks about as good as it's going to get. So we'll tighten that down. See how it works. Slides out. Slides back in. So, yeah, so you just put downward pressure on it to get it to come out and upward pressure to get it to go back in. So for those of you wondering why I put this on a truck that has steps built into the corner of the bumper, well, I'm planning on, well, there's two reasons really. I'm planning on, one, putting a lift kit on the truck at some point. Not super high, nothing obnoxious, just a little bit to give the truck a little bit more height. And two, I'm going to plan on putting some off-road style rear and front bumpers on the truck. The ones that I'm looking at right now that I'm a fan of, the design, the way they look on the Silverado, don't have corner steps built in. So having this drop down step off the rear bumper will definitely come in handy when I get to that point. One reason I wanted to go ahead and get this video done is because this step might be a good Christmas idea for someone in your family that has a pickup truck. You know, like to have that little extra assistance getting in and out of the bed from the back of the truck. So I wanted to show y'all what it's like, how the install goes on the Silverado, and just let y'all know that Boost Auto makes great quality products. If you want to see some other Boost Auto products, I've got a video installing the Luma M2 retractable steps. You'll see that one over here in the corner. But for now, thanks for watching, commenting, and sharing this video. This is Southpaw Garage, signing out.